Welcome to the discussion on marketing environment. I am Dr. Devi Pian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Here we are going to discuss unit number 1, marketing management. Especially, we are discuss marketing environment. This unit concerned with MCOM Part 1, Semester 2nd, Optional Paper 4, Business Administration, Paper 4, Functional Area of Management, Marketing and Finance. Outline of the discussion: learning objective of marketing environment, introduction of marketing environment, meaning of marketing environment, influencing factor on marketing environment, and finally we want to conclude this discussion. Learning objective of marketing environment: to acquire knowledge of marketing environment, to enlighten on scope of marketing environment, to know influencing factor of marketing environment. As a marketer or entrepreneurs, we want to tap the market opportunity. We may conduct survey, and as a marketing manager, as a entrepreneurs, we want to understand marketing environment. Hence, first of all, we want to introduce concept of marketing environment. The term marketing environment refers to the forces and factors that affect the organization ability to build and maintain good relationship with the customer. Marketing environment surround the organization and its impact upon the organization. Definition of marketing environment: according to Philip Kotler, marketing environment comprise all the actors and force outside marketing that affect on marketing management ability to develop and maintain successful transaction with its target customer. In the other word, marketing environment include the internal and external influences which affect marketing decision making and have an impact on its performance. From the above definition, it is clear that as a marketer, we want to understand marketing environment. Marketing environment may be internal and external. When as a marketer or marketing manager, when we understand marketing environment, it helps to understand customer expectation, needs, demand, and as per customer expectation, need, demand, we may design product, we may implement or formulate strategy, policy or tactics for the grab the market opportunity. Component of marketing environment: internal environment and external environment. Internal environment include inside of the firm which affect on operation of the business organization or functional area of marketing. External environment, it may be classified as micro environment and macro environment. Micro environment is also known as operating or task environment. The actors close the company that affect its ability to serve its customer. In micro environment include company, organization, supplier, marketer, intermediaries, customer, market, competitor, public. These are component of micro environment. Means all these factors affect on operation of business organization. Then next component is macro environment. Macro environment refers to all forces that are part of the larger society and affect the micro environment. It include demographic factor, economic factor, political factor, cultural factor, technological factor, natural forces. Macro environment is less controllable. Means what? microenvironment as a marketer or entrepreneurs we may control, and it may be under the control, but macroenvironment we cannot be controlled. Then what are the drivers of the change? You may know in market different types of changes take place, that is technology, new technology is there, government policy may be changed, and other media. So, and all these factors affect on customer choice, demand, expectation and needs, and considering this we want to adopt all these changes positively. And when as a marketer or entrepreneurs, when we are unable to adopt all these changes, that time we difficult to survive in market. We unable to grab the market opportunity. For example, HMT, Titan, Nirma, Bajaj, these are some leading example. Some leading organization they may adopt some changes and they stable or survive in market, but those company or competitor unable to adopt this change, that time it is difficult to survive in market. In brief, marketing environment, as a marketer or marketing manager, we want to understand concept of marketing environment. There may be classification as internal environment and external environment. Internal environment related to within the organization, means organization, shareholders, employee, creditors, vendors, and all these stakeholders affect on our business organization operation. And external organization, there may be classified as micro environment and macro environment. Micro environment may be controllable and macro environment is not controllable. And as a marketer, we want to understand market environment. This helps to tap the market opportunity, map the market opportunity and grab the market opportunity. And finally, we want to conclude this discussion. In this discussion, we may enlighten on marketing environment, meaning and definition of marketing environment, influencing factor of marketing environment, and this concept and all these things helps to understand concept of marketing environment. For the detailed understanding, you may refer some books, and if any doubt, you may contact me. My name is Dr. Devi Pian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Mobile number 9049081926. Email ID paresh84jan@redipmail.com. Thank you.